Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Libras, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards here. We have Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Wands in reverse and the Fool in reverse. So Libras, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your career situation or in your personal life in this relationship. Maybe for some of you, this may be your energy or this person's energy, guys. You are quite careless or you have a lethargic attitude, guys. You are not willing to maybe change yourself or trying to adapt, being really flexible. You are quite stubborn and you stay by your rules or you play by your rules. You are not willing to listen to this person. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you, guys. And that may be the reason for some troubles in this relationship. Maybe this person may feel that you are not interested in them or this love. So that may be the reason for your behavior. They may feel this way. And your actions speak your disinterest, and you do not show any concern or consideration for this person, guys. So some kind of careless attitude, lethargic attitude is there. Maybe the reason maybe you are facing some tough situation in your career, guys. Maybe you are putting in lot of efforts and working really hard to hold on to your position in your career. So there are some difficulties coming your way and you are trying your best to resolve your situation, hold on to the things that are happening today, but it needs a lot of efforts and it uses all your skills and talents. So that is causing a difficult situation, guys. And maybe the reason may be destiny, guys. You are in the situation today maybe because of destiny. That is what is making you strive hard to hold on to success. Maybe few things are going in a very positive way, but few things are going in a negative way, guys. And you are unable to control your situation or change your situation in any way. That is what I meant by destiny. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship and career situation in particular, guys. So first, for your relationship, we have Five of Pentacles. So with this card, it just means that you have love, understanding with this person, but there are lots of troubles also. You may have a lot of arguments or fights in this relationship. The reasons may be because of your carelessness or your you are not there for them. So you are not showing your interest in this person. That may be the reason for troubles in this love, guys. Libras. So you are you are neglecting this person or you are being indifferent. So that is what is leading to some kind of difficulties, guys. But it is true love. That is what you have between each other, and that is holding on to you, to both of you, guys. Maybe you are facing troubles, but whatever it is, your true love is holding you both together, guys, Libras. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have 7 of Wands. So again, this card just means that you are making tremendous efforts. You are working hard, striving hard, but whatever it is, you are in a good position today, and you have a great advantage in your career because of your hard work and efforts, guys, Libras. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation and close your eyes. Meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with this card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is your first card for those who chose this card. Such a beautiful card here, guys. 1. So this card just means that each and every one of us, we are all part of that divine spark, guys. So just like a gold chain or an ornament is made out of gold, molten gold. So that molten gold is the origin, and that in the situation that we may compare that to universe or God or higher power, and the ornaments are us. So it is the same thing. So what comes out of it, it's the same as what is there in the beginning. So all of us have that divine spark in us, and we need not fear whatever is happening in our situation. We need not worry, because we have that divine energy in each and every one of us. So whatever is manifesting in our life is our own doing, guys, and we need not have any fear or worry or apprehension because of that. So we need to understand that. And the appearance of this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are in some kind of confusion, something is worrying you today, and something is really weighing heavy on your heart, and you are in some confused state. You don't know which path to take up, whether to go for this path or that. But you need to understand that whatever is the right thing or whatever will be the right choice will come to you on its own, guys. You need not worry, and it will find you drawn to it. That choice will will attract you, and you need not worry or have any feelings of fear today, guys. No need to get confused, and this choice will come to you, so you need not worry about it. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So all that is supposed to happen will happen at the right time, guys, and nothing bad will ever happen to us, because we are all part of that whole, whatever you call it, God, universe, or that higher power. So nothing will ever go wrong for us. Everything will be perfectly alright in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what it is. It is time to go. So this card may on the outright you may think that This card stands for a breakup or some kind of separation. But in truth, guys, it is just that emotional detachment. That is what is happening today, guys. That release you feel emotionally to something, some situation or a person. So you are in a situation right now, you are unable to do anything for this person or for that situation, and you have taken stock of whatever you have learned, and there is nothing new you can add to that circumstance, and your suggestions or ideas or your presence is no longer needed. So you need to understand that your journey or your part you need to play in this circumstance has come to an end. So that does not mean that it is this relationship is moving towards a breakup. You need to give up your attachment you have on this person, guys. Go for that emotional release. So if you love something or someone, you just need to let them go, guys. And if that person comes back, it just means that they love you and this connection is meant to be. But if they do not come back, it just means that this relationship was never meant to be. So if you want something deeper, if you want a more deeper, emotional, perfect, compatible relationship, and you want that clear understanding, you need to walk away, take a step back. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. That is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.